Don't mind my sports bra and this weird thing. These things that like you hang on the hanger, I can never get them to like tuck away. We're off to a great start. This is great. Hey guys, it's Bianca. Welcome back to another video on my channel. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different when it comes to the Birchbox for this month. Usually I unbox it with you, show you each product, and kind of talk about what it is and the full size price and all of that, which is great. You guys seem to like that kind of process, but I figured I want to switch it up a little bit for this month. I decided to actually use each product that I got this month kind of as a real-time first impressions video. And so I'm going to grab the box, I'll show you guys the design and all of that, and then we'll get right into it. So this is the box. As my voice cracks, I love the design, really pretty. I love the colors again, and it goes all the way around as usual. I try and upcycle these as much as possible. Grab the first item here. It is a golden C serum. The spelling is L-O-U-M. Let me show you. It comes in this little kind of packaging, so let me get this open. This is really cute. It's like a little vial with like one of those little squeezy pump things on the top. This has vitamin C and a tripeptide complex. So it says massage 2 to 4 golden droplets into clean, dry skin, tapping delicately around the eye area for best results. Use morning and night, which is perfect because it's 9 a.m. and ooh, it's actually really pretty. I don't know if I can show you guys. It's like kind of sparkly almost, and pump some on. Ooh. It is really kind of like, I was expecting it to be thicker. It looks thicker in the bottle. Tell you like the full size price for this. Ooh, it better be nice for that price. It's $90 for the full size. My skin feels really soft, and you know, it's not greasy, didn't leave any residue on my hands. Next item I have here is a thickening styling foam from Rnco. I love Rnco's packaging. And it says apply to damp hair section by section and then blow dry as usual. Ooh. Ooh, this smells so good. And it's like a mousse. I mean, it's in like a mousse container, but it's like creamier and it smells so good. So I'm just gonna incorporate it into like the flyaways in the back of my head for now. So the next item I'm going to be trying out is by Wander Beauty. Love the packaging, very cute. Apply on clean, dry under eyes with foil side facing up. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes and discard after use. Gently pat remaining serum into skin for external use only. Okay, so right off the bat, it's very like luxurious, very like, I hate this word, but like moist. It's very like wet.
A few moments later.
So although the outside of the patch under eye mask was dry, there was some product left over, and it says just to kind of massage it in. It's nice. I would recommend it. 25 bucks for a 6-pack of these. The next item is by Bare Minerals, and it came in this kind of tube packaging, so I think it's gonna be a lip product. The full size of this is $20. It's a lip lacquer. It says it's a full coverage of a lipstick but a high gloss of a lip gloss. You guys know lip products aren't really my thing, but for the sake of this video, I'm gonna swatch it and then maybe put a little bit on. So this is the color Pout. This cute little tube, kind of like almost like a doe foot applicator, but it's like flat. So I'm gonna swatch a little bit on my hand. It feels really thick and it's a really pretty color. So it's really pretty. It's like kind of a bright mauve-y nude pink. It looks lighter in the bottle, but on my hand obviously it looks quite darker. I'm gonna kind of get over this weird thing that I have with these products because just putting it on my hand is very thick. Very thick. It feels very sticky. Not really my thing. It doesn't feel heavy or anything, but when I'm talking, it's like sticky and like not really that great. It's just like not my thing. So I will be right back because I need to wipe this off. And the next thing that I have here is by Sand and Sky. While skin is still damp from cleansing, put on this facial treatment for 5 minutes, then massage and rinse off to detoxify, nourish, and leave skin glowing. There is a little bit of a gritty consistency, like little black exfoliating beads just on my hand. It feels really hydrating actually. Usually these things are like really thick and kind of overwhelming, but this one isn't. It is $36.90, so a little expensive. Not too bad though. Let's see. Okay, so we're down to the last item, which is a nail polish remover made with organic materials. Ingredients, I can't read backwards. Acetone free, infused with lavender oil, lightly scented and non-flammable. I don't have any color on my nails, but I am using this kind of strengthening treatment. It doesn't smell great for a non-acetone. It comes on this strip, which I thought it was going to be more like a square than a rectangle. It doesn't feel like there's any product on this at all. I'm gonna go ahead and do my finger here. I don't know if you can see, there's a little bit of the shine from that. And okay, so when you start kind of rubbing it, I can see more of the product. It smells kind of like a bad perfume, and these pad things are like kind of fraying a little bit. It's really oily, and kind of like I stuck my finger or hand rather in like a olive oil. Okay, so that is it for this kind of first impression. Figured it would be fun to do. I enjoyed doing it. It was kind of fun to give you my first impressions in real time as I use each product. As always, I will leave my social medias down below in the description. Go on over and find me over there. Also, I'm going to be leaving a Birchbox link if those of you who are thinking of trying out Birchbox. I'll leave the link down there so it's easy to find. If you haven't yet, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Also, subscribe if you haven't yet. I'd love to have you back. Make sure you turn on post notifications by clicking that bell icon right next to the subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye everyone.